Hi Shreya, you're so smart. I wish you a happy birthday. I hope you have a nice day. You are so smart. You are so caring. You are so beautiful, and love you. You always protect me from the people who call me stuff, bully me, and all. Like that day you fought with your own friend to protect me because he said some bad name about me. So thank you. I hope you have an amazing birthday.
Happy birthday, Shreya. I hope you have an amazing day because you really are an amazing friend. Hey, Shreya. Happy birthday. Though I've only known you for a few months, you seem like a really fun person and I can't wait to meet you in school soon. Hope you have a great day and a great year ahead.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하다 우리 자구. 생일 축하합니다. Many happy returns of the day, Jagu. Stay blessed. Treat me soon and I love you. Jagu, I love you. Your hair and your skin more than you. But anyway, thank you for being such a sweetheart and understanding us and always being there for us and mingling with us so well and all. So yeah, I'm happy that you're my cousin and thank you for existing. Happy birthday!
Many happy returns of the day, Shreya. Stay blessed, party hard.
A very happiest birthday to my cute little girl. May your life be filled with joy and prosperity. May God bless you with lots of love and happiness for now and forever. Love you so much.
A very happy birthday to the most wonderful, beautiful, and versatile Shreya. May you have loads of joy and happiness today and ever. Stay blessed always, dear. Have a rocking year ahead.
ತಮ್ಮನ ಮಗಳು ಶ್ರೇಯ ಬಂಗಾರ ಕೂಸು ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ.
Dear Shreya, I know our paths have crossed a few times, yet you're like a daughter to all of us, and you're the world's most beautiful and smart parents. But more importantly, we know you are much smarter than anyone I have seen of your age group, and your achievement speaks for itself. So congrats on all the achievements you have made so far. But I'm pretty much sure I'm gonna see a lot more to come. So on your birthday, my best wishes is for you to be very happy all the time, stay healthy, enjoy your life, and enjoy your time with family and friends, and hopefully we have some good fortune of spending some time with you sometime, because I know my life needs to if I do so. Once again, baby, happy
Hi
birthday.
Shreya,
So,
a very happy birthday to our very special girl. May your birthday be as cute and unique as you are. Love you dear. May God give you all the happiness and success you know.
Happy birthday, Shreya. This is like a really fun person I went to. I got meeting in school. So I hope you have a great day ahead.
Happy birthday, Shreya. You're too sweet, too nice, and too good for life. I hope we meet once things are back to normal in India. Enjoy, man. It's your birthday.
Hi, Shreya. Happy birthday. Where do I start from? You're the best thing that's happened to me. When I first met you, I didn't know that you'd be this important to me, but I can't imagine my whole life without you. Thanks for always being there for me in my good times and my bad times. And here's your babies wishing you a happy birthday too. Okay, I don't
Hey
know.
Shreya, happy birthday. You're turning 17. Big number. You're a really good friend of mine. You're the best at singing, the best at dancing, the best friend, and indeed the best at studying. Topper alert. It's not been, very long time since we're friends, but these 2 years have been the best, and I hope you achieve whatever you want in life and enjoy your birthday. You're turning 17.
Hi Shreya, this is Myra and happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day today. I love your energy and I can't wait to meet you soon. Please keep up your crazy fun vibe and entertain us in the group chat and have tons of fun.
Hey there, Shreya. Happy birthday to you. My very warm wishes from my side. I just want to tell you that you're amazing. That's it. You're amazing. You're that goofy yet intelligent cousin of mine that I'm very proud of, and also as a brother, I respect you and love you at the same time. As a brother, I'm very proud to have a sister like you. So yeah, let's goof around with me.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ, ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಶ್ರೇಯಾ. ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಶಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಸೆಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವ್ರು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಫ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವೇ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್. And this one of the qualities which I like about you, ಗೊತ್ತಾ? So thank you for being my cousin sister, and I'm glad that you're my cousin sister. So yeah, that's it. So happy birthday once again. Have a blast.
Happy birthday, annoying kid. Happy birthday, Shreya. Yeah, okay, so I expect pizza, chocolate, cake, and all kinds of junk food sent over to my house because, well, I don't know, I just want junk food, okay? And I don't care if it's your birthday, I still want my share of it. And, you know, the thing that I really love about you is, I've said this a lot of times before, but still, the thing that I really love about you is that you can be, like, so savage and, like, so savage and badass, and at the same time, you're just like, please, thank you, and I'm so nervous. And okay, you're honestly one of a kind. And happy birthday, have an awesome year ahead and be badass. And if you're gonna do crazy stuff, call me and I'll do it with you. Yeah, so that's it.
Happy birthday, have a wonderful 17th birthday, and you're one of the most warmest and kindest people I know. You're such a great friend, and above that you're a great individual. You're such a great friend in the sense that whenever I'm going through a bad time or low time or having a bad day, I can easily come and share it with you. That's the kind of comfort that you offer, and I know you wouldn't judge me for it, and that's the kind of friend you are. So I'm really blessed to have a friend like you, and I love your sense of humor. You're such a fun person to be around and a great individual. You're always the first one to come up when someone needs help, and you're such a fun person to be around. I love your sense of humor, your gifs, your stickers. And have a wonderful day. Enjoy the whole day, and don't forget to treat me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Yaya.
Happy birthday, Yaya. Happy birthday, Yaya.
We love you.
We love you. We love you.
Okay. God bless you, Shreya.
God bless you, Yaya.
Let me say, God bless you, Shreya. Have a blessed year ahead. We love you. Thanks for being such a blessing to us. And you are a blessing. God bless you. And have a fantastic year ahead. May all your dreams and everything that you desire come true. And we pray that this year will be very special for you. And as a family, we thank you for your love, your kindness, and for being such a good friend. Okay? All right.
Thank you, Yaya. Happy birthday. Thanks for being a very good friend.
Very good friend.
A small little friend. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for all the love. We love you.
Bye.
Bye. You're the third kid in our home, Yaya. Have a great birthday. Bye.
ನನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಮಗಳೇ, ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯ ತಗೋ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲರ್ನರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಿಂದ ಕಲಿತೀಯ ಅದನ್ನು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡೋರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ಮೆಚೂರಿಟಿ ಇರೋವಂಥ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮಗಳು ನೀನು. ನನಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದರೂ ಸಾಲದು ಶ್ರೇಯಾ. ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಾಗಿ ಪಡೆದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಮಾಮ್ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ಸತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಗ್ಲಾಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಡಾಟರ್. ಮೆನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಬಂಗಾರಿ. ದೇವ್ರು ನಿನ್ನ ಸದಾಕಾಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
ಶ್ರೇಯಾ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮಗಳು, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ನಿನಗಿರುವಂಥ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಗಳು, ಹಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಆರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಗುರುನೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಸ್ವಂತವಾಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಪಡೆದಿದೆಯಾ. ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷ್ನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಮೆನಿ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಬೈ ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. On top of that, your intelligence, your logical thinking, and most importantly, your maturity at your age, where you counsel a lot of your friends and help them come out of their problems, including me and Amma. So, ನಿನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ದೇವರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಂತೋಷ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ, ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೆನಿ ಮೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ.